Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the start of a new week, October 5th, 2020. Happy birthday to Madison in first grade. Hope you're having a great day. Got some cleaning up to do from last week, so let's get some answers out there. First of all, from Throwback Thursday, who is it? Who do you think it was? The answer is Mr. Law. Can you see the similarity now? We had lots of people guess that one correctly. So congratulations to Zenaida, Micah, Caden, Aubrey, Isabella, Farva, Ruth, Nathan, Dylan, Jaden, Martin, and Brooklyn. Mr. Schulze also got that one right. And now for our problem of the week. All right, so we had Mrs. Barnes, Mrs. Seaman, and Mrs. Smith all take the same route to school. As I said, this is one that really would help to draw a picture. So let's put a picture together. It says that Mrs. Seaman lives the farthest away from school. Mrs. Barnes lives the closest. So that means that Mrs. Smith would live in the middle. Now it takes Mrs. Seaman 10 minutes to get to Mrs. Barnes's house. So let's mark that. And it takes Mrs. Smith 15 minutes to get to school. So we'll mark that. And last fact that they give us is it takes Mrs. Seaman 22 minutes to get all the way to school. What we want to find out is how many minutes does it take Mrs. Smith to get to Mrs. Barnes's house? Now, we don't know that, so we need to take a look at the information that we're given. And now if you remember back to your second grade math that Mrs. Seaman, Mrs. Barnes, and Mrs. Smith have taught you, you look at this as a part-whole kind of a problem. We know this whole is 15 minutes, so this part plus this part would equal 15. Unfortunately, I don't know what either of those parts are. But if I try a different part-whole question, I can figure it out. And I would do that by looking at this whole of 22 minutes. And this part is 10 minutes, which means that this part is the other part of that 22 minutes. So that would mean, just like remember in those number bonds, 22 is my whole, 10 minutes is one part. What's the other part? So I can either do that by saying what plus 10 equals 22, or 22 minus 10 equals 12. So now I know that this part is 12 minutes. The whole is 15 minutes. So one more part-whole question. 12 plus what equals 15? Or 15 minus 12 equals 3. So we figured it out that it takes Mrs. Smith 3 minutes to get to Mrs. Barnes's house. We had almost 50 people try this one, so that's 20 more than last week. Great job, everybody. And here were those who got it right: Kinley, Caden, Jackson, Lucas, Audrey, Blake, Micah, and Nathan. Good job, everybody. We'll have another problem of the week for you next week. Time for the pledge, so please rise. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. It's Monday. Don't forget to be awesome this week. Have a great week.